Hello guys, let's draw some trees. Open Forester tree from extension list and from tree library choose pitch palm. Good. Go to trunk parameters and from trunk deformer list make trunk turbulence 0 to make trunk of tree straight. If your machine is slow, go to branch global and decrease branch segments. And from branch level make count something like 30. Open wind from hyperwind. Play with wind multiplier and the wavy wind strength. Disable trunk wind, we don't need it. Make timeline 200 frames like wind cycle in Forester. And open wind loop. Good, now we have a palm tree with animation. Select Forester source and do current state to object for it. Select leaves and branches and press connect object and delete. Now we have branches and trunk. So we need transfer animation from Forester tree source to branches. Mesh deformer good in this process. Mesh deformer can't read animation from Forester tree, so we will create connect object to Forester tree source and uncheck weld and put it in caged list of mesh deformer. Open advanced and choose surface area, press initialize and wait. Good. I will hide connect from viewport and copy material to branches. Now animation transferring done. I need to store this animation to more control. Press right click on branches. From rigging tags, choose point cache. Press store state and calculation to record the animation from mesh deformer. Close all of this because already I have animation by point cache tag. Now step 2 is done. Focus with me in this step. I will create null and put it under last branch and make it as a parent for branches. This null represents axis of branches. Make an instance for animation null and choose render in instance. Good. If I hide animation null, animation in instance will hide. So I will put animation null as a child to new null. Now, if you hide parent null, it will not affect on animation in instance. After that, select trunk and choose spline wrap from deformer list and make cloner for animation in instance. Choose object from mode and create empty spline. You can get it from here too. Through this spline we will draw trunk and branches. So put this spline in object field in cloner to generate branches. And put a spline in spline wrap to generate trunk. Make axis in +y in the same direction of trunk. Okay, select empty spline and draw by sketch tool. As you see, it make a lot of branches along of spline. So go to cloner and change count to 1 and draw again. You must select empty spline when you draw by sketch tool. To solve this, go to offset and make it 99 and in transform make pitch rotation -90. Select empty spline and draw again. When you draw, you will find the bounding box for trees. If you want to hide it, go to filter and disable spline. Now you can draw infinite trees with real-time animation. If you find this problem while drawing, you can fix it from distribution in cloner. Go to object and change count to even. Now everything is ready. Enjoy.